So in this video, we're going to talk about QR code marketing. Real quickly, I just want to show you an image. This is what a QR code looks like, and this is also what it looks like when you scan a QR code. Notice that the person is holding a smartphone, and that's really important because now you can use QR code technology to reach an offline audience. You can reach people wherever they are, not just in front of their computer, as in traditional affiliate marketing. Now you can reach them anywhere, and I'll get into some details and some creative ideas in just a second. But this really leverages the explosive growth of smartphone technologies. I don't have to tell you, you already know that smartphones are just growing with almost no end in sight. Almost everyone has a smartphone, and there are just thousands upon thousands of different types of apps, including QR code apps. People are using smartphones to check their email, log in on Facebook and social media, but also to use the QR code scanners to get special deals or find out special information. And as soon as you start thinking about it, I bet you're going to notice QR codes showing up in all sorts of locations that you may not have noticed before until you watch this video. So here are a few places that you can use QR codes, but you're really only limited by your imagination. So there's things like flyers. You can put them on business cards. You can use them outdoors in signage. Imagine even using it on something as big as a billboard. Now, whether that's within your budget or not, I just want you to understand that it is absolutely possible for you to put a huge QR code and for someone to be able to scan it. It is absolutely possible. You can put it on product packaging. You can also use it on PowerPoint presentations. So if you're doing a presentation in front of a live audience, you can use QR codes there. You can also use it on clothes. I see this a lot. You can put them on t-shirts. And then this one is a little bit out there, but just to give you an idea of where QR codes are being used, you can even use them as a tattoo. So with those creative ideas running around in your brain, let's go ahead and talk about exactly how you begin to use the QR code right from inside your admin panel. Okay, so here we are inside of your admin panel, and over on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on QR codes. And so when I do that, what you're going to do is you're going to want to choose the marketing group. You may only have one, so if you only have one or if you have none, then you don't have to worry about this. If you have multiple, then of course you're just going to want to choose the one that applies to the product that you're promoting. Makes sense. And then you're just going to choose your QR code size. And this just depends on, are you going to put this on a business card? Or are you going to be putting it on an 8.5 by 11 flyer, or are you going to be using it in some other way? And keep in mind that you can enlarge the QR code as you see fit. So to some extent, this is just a convenience measure for you. So let's just choose 290 by 290 to make it as large as possible, and I'll display the QR code. So there you go. That's what a QR code looks like. Now, if you wanted to just add this QR code to your website, I know that might sound strange. We've been talking about offline marketing and mobile marketing, but there's no reason why someone couldn't scan the QR code right from their computer. It works just fine. So you can add this, and so what you could do is you could highlight, right-click, copy, and then paste it wherever you're going to use it, whether it's your blog or, for that matter, any place where you can put HTML code, you can generate this image. The other thing that you can do is you can save the image to your hard drive, which is how you would then use it in a flyer or something like that. So let me give you two quick resources. So if you have Microsoft Office, then of course you have access to Word, and so that'd be a very simple way for you to paste this in and create your own flyer. If you have a Mac, as I do, then you might have a program called Pages, which is another text editing software. If you don't have either of those, or if for some reason those just aren't what you want to use, another option is to download OpenOffice. Now, if you already have Office or something that works for you, you don't need to do this at all. This is just a free Office software suite, including a text editor. So you can download this for free, and it will work on Mac or PC, just in case you haven't purchased Office and you don't want to go through that expense. That's another option. But here's probably the best option, even if you already have Office, Microsoft Word, or Pages already installed, and that is to Go outsource it. Hire someone. Hire someone to put together a flyer for you, or for that matter, hire several people at $5 to $20 a pop. Why not hire people to put together several different versions of the flyer or the type of QR code advertising that you want to use, and then test it out actually in the marketplace and see which one is going to work best or which one you like the best. So now you know how to use QR codes to go after the large offline market, reach people where they're not even in front of their computer. They might be at the coffee shop, they might be looking at your business card. So many different ways that you can harness the growth of mobile marketing and reach people even when they're not in front of their computer and still generate traffic through your affiliate link.